Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video we would be learning about polymorphism. So let's understand what this means. So poly means many or multiple, and morphism means changing forms. Actually morph means forms. So polymorphism would literally just mean many forms. So it means that something that can change and take various forms. Now, the way we integrate polymorphism in Python is something called duck typing. So, what does this mean? Type like a duck? No. Duck typing originates from a sentence which says, if a bird quacks like a duck and it walks like a duck, then it is a duck. So, to give you a better idea, we would have to dive into code because right now it would sound very confusing. Okay, so to better explain you, I'll create a class called movements. And in this class called movements, I would have something like a function which says move, def move, and it would take self, and it would take something else as an argument, and that would be the animal or the thing. I'll just say thing. And here we say thing dot walk. Now here let's say I have a class called bird, and let's say in the bird class I have this method called walk, and it takes self as an argument and it prints hopping around. And let's create another class, and this one would be mammal, and this would also have a method called walk, and here also it would print something, and that would be a simple message like jogging around. And I'll just make this a little nicer. So we have this class called movements, right? And in movements we have a function called move, and when we are passing something like a mammal or a bird or anything that we want to move, we are going to pass it as an object, and it does not matter what the object is as long as it has this method called walk. And that is how we implement duck typing. No matter what its form is, but it should have that specific properties of a duck. No matter what the bird is, if it walks like a duck, if it quacks like a duck, it is a duck. Simple. So let's run the code. So it would not matter what we pass to it. You can just see movements dot move, and here we would pass the animal. Okay, so let's create a bird, and bird is equal to this big bird. Oops, this big bird. And let's create a dog, which is a mammal. And let's say movements dot move, and we need to pass bird, and we need to pass dog, movements dot move dog. And since movements is a class method, so I'll just say class method, and I'll accept CLS here. We do not need anything like an object to do this, so I just changed it to a class method. So now if I run the code, python3 main.py, and for bird it says hopping around, for dog it says jogging around. So again, coming back to the statement, if it moves like a duck, if it quacks like a duck, it is a duck. So we can accept multiple forms into this specific class, and that is what polymorphism is. Thank you so much for watching this course. Goodbye.